Hey guys, it's Luke, your digital concierge here at Gramophone. Today we're going to be taking a look at Marantz's SR6014 9-channel receiver. Drive highly detailed home cinema with this 9.2 channels receiver from Marantz that provides a near audiophile-like listening experience. The SR6015, like many Marantz products, is designed to give you that more musical sound even in your surround experiences and also serve you very well for stereo listening. So we're going to dive in and figure out everything about the 6014 that makes it great. But before we do, make sure you guys don't miss out. Subscribe to the Gramophone channel and click that bell notification icon so you don't miss out on any of our product highlights. And we have a lot coming up for you. Alright guys, so let's talk about the features of the 6014. This is a 9.2 channel receiver and it has 9 channels of amplification built right in, so you don't need anything external to use all 9 of those. There are 7 HDMIs on the back panel and 1 on the front panel that are all HDMI 2 and HDCP 2.3 compliant, which is the latest standard. And one of the outputs on the back supports enhanced audio return channel, or known as eARC, so that way you can get more ports by utilizing the ones on your TV, or if you have a gaming system and want minimal latency, that allows you to plug into your TV but still get great surround sound. All of those ports, being HDMI 2, are capable of full 4K at 60 Hz pass-through. The 6014 also processes all video at 444 chroma, so it's full fat RGB, no compression or subsampling, images look great. And that's also with HDR10 support for more vivid colors and brighter highlights. And one of the most unique features about the 6014 is that being a Marantz receiver product, this uses Marantz HDAM boards, hyperdynamic amplifier modules. The HDAMs are known for being one of the best sounding integrated amps built into any AV receiver on the market, and are known for giving Marantz receivers that more musical or euphonic quality versus a lot of other competing receivers. This also features Marantz and Denon's proprietary streaming platform known as HEOS. HEOS is a software suite that you access on your phone and allows you to stream virtually every major music streaming service directly through the amplifier and do so natively. That way you get true high-resolution support. And on that note, the SR6014 is also Roon tested. If you have a nice Roon library at home, this will work for you. The 6014 also features the Audeze room calibration suite, which comes with this microphone that you can set up in your room, and it will produce sweeps over your speakers to measure any room modes. Room modes are frequencies that get a little too heightened in your room and throw things out of balance. By running that correction, it makes everything sound better and you don't have to invest into a bunch of room treatment. I still recommend a little bit of room treatment, but this is a great solution, and I'm sure you guys have heard me say it before. I'm a huge advocate of room EQ / room correction. It's great stuff. This has built-in Wi-Fi, so it easily connects to a home network. It also has an Ethernet jack if you want to run it wired, which if you can, I do recommend it, as wires will always win. But that being said, the integrated Wi-Fi is very good. It also has built-in Bluetooth, so you can connect wireless headphones to this and use the receiver as a source device for Bluetooth headphones. Kind of an interesting inclusion in my book, but hey, the more features, the more compatibility, the better. You can have something completely independent running through your Bluetooth headphones or other Bluetooth device, while the speakers plugged into the SR6014 can be doing something completely different. So you could be listening to jazz music on your headphones in the other room, as long as you're in Bluetooth range, of course, while your family sits in the next room watching a movie. It features virtually all the Dolby codecs, so True HD, Dolby Digital, Atmos, True HD Atmos, Atmos virtualization for taking non-Atmos tracks but upscaling them to work on height speakers, and it has DTS:X, DTS Neural X, and DTS:X virtual processing, again, upscaling that signal. And when it comes to music playback, this will play back anything in 24-bit, FLAC, Apple lossless, MP3, WAVE, you name it, it's compatible with just about anything. And that HEOS app that we mentioned earlier works with virtually every major music streaming platform, from Pandora to Spotify, Tidal, Amazon, Deezer, SoundCloud, you name it. It is voice assistant enabled and works with Alexa, Google Voice Assistant, and Siri. So no matter what smartphone or smart tablet provider you have, Marantz has got you covered. And lastly, it works with the Marantz AVR app for Android and iPhone, which allows you to control all the primary features of your receiver, such as adjusting the volume, changing the source, etc. For under $1,500, the Marantz 6014 will elevate just about anyone's game. It is excellent for watching movies in surround sound, but with a slight musical bent, and for listening to music in stereo. Overall, it provides a quality that is just too good to pass up. So if you guys want to pick one up for yourself and experience that Marantz quality, click the link down below and head on over to skybygramophone.com where you can get one for yourself, have it shipped fast and free right to your door after you check out securely. If you guys are looking for project ideas, need to schedule a service request, or would just like to speak to one of our hi-fi, home theater, and interior design experts, get inspired at gramophone.com. And if you guys have any questions for me about anything that I've covered here on this channel, ask at gramophone.com. I would love to help you out. Also, guys, don't forget to come visit us at one of our showroom locations in Timonium, Columbia, or Gaithersburg, Maryland. And also don't forget to stop by our beautiful Kitchen Design Center in Hunt Valley, Maryland. All right, guys, if you liked the video, please give me a thumbs up, drop a comment down below, and subscribe to the Gramophone channel for all of your audio and home theater needs. Also, I want to hear from you guys. What do you think of Marantz? What do you want to see from us in the future? And as always, thank you for watching. Be seeing you.